Hi everyone, welcome to SRE Chronicles. In today's video, we will learn how to use users command in Linux. If you are learning Linux DevOps or SRE skills, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it to support the channel. Let's get started. Users. The users command in Linux is used to display the usernames of all users who are currently logged in to the system. It reads login session information from specified file and prints the list of active users. If no file is provided, the command automatically reads from default file. Cat cat var run utmp from here, or commonly use alternative file. So cat var run wtmp. So it depends on your system, on your operation system. These files contain historical login records. Users command basic syntax is users, option, and file. Users options and file. Options specify additional flags such as --help or --version. Files define the file from which login information is retrieved. If omitted, so as I mentioned, these two files are used. Users command without any option will print the users currently logged in. So users, and we see Gregor users now logged in this operation system. To display the built-in help documentation for users command, use users --help option. This command prints concise help message directly into terminal. The output includes a brief description of what users command does, the correct syntax of command, a list of available options. Using --help is fastest way to verify syntax available flags without consulting the manual pages. But also you can consult with manual pages. So man users, let's exit from manual pages, typing Q. To determine which version of the user's command is installed on your system, use --version. Let's clear the screen. Users --version. This command displays version information for the user's util Linux package, since the user's utility is part of that package. Util Linux package. The output of user's --version typically includes the version number of user's command, the copyright details, license information. Oh, that's all for this lesson. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. Thank you.